Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix iCloud Drive taking up iPhone local storage. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. So first of all guys, you just have to go to settings, and here you have to scroll up, click on the search bar and search for App Store here, and then just click on the first option right here. Scroll down until you see offload unused apps. Just toggle it and it should fix your problem. So yeah guys, this will automatically remove unused apps and keep all the documents and data. Reinstalling the app will press back your data. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. This is how you fix your problem. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.